Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is the Tuesday after the Labor Day holiday. We've been out for 3 days and I feel disconnected right now with everything. So I just walked into a bunch of stuff this morning, and one of those things that I forgot that I scheduled was a 2024 Denali Ultimate again. This one, however, is a little bit cleaner than what I'm used to seeing. It already has the color matched fender trim on it, and it has just been detailed. This thing is immaculate right now. So we're gonna do a 4-inch Cognito lift with the Fox Reservoir shocks on this one, and it's a new look that I haven't done yet on one of these trucks. I've done this style build on a lot of 1500s, but never on a 2500. We're gonna do some factory replica 22-inch wheels. Now, what's cool about that is the factory replica wheel has no offset. It doesn't stick out past the fender. So we're gonna try to do the 4-inch Cognito here with those 22-inch replicas and some 37-inch Toyos. Hopefully we won't have to trim much, but this is a learning experience for me as well. The internet says it can be done, so we're gonna try it today. Stay tuned and let me know what you guys think. Here is our truck today. Once again, 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. This truck does have the Duramax diesel in it, 6.6 with the Allison transmission as usual. You really can't beat the combo. That's the best setup that I've known of out there. So everybody says they're really good for pulling, hauling, and they last a long time. He already has his Retrax electric looking bed cover here. I think this is the electric one, which is push a button, it rolls up, stuff like that, like the Cybertruck did. There's not a speck on this truck. I mean, it's brand spanking new. The color match fender trim I was talking about is here. Mostly all the trucks come with black right there, unless you buy it separate or add it on when you're ordering the truck. Got these Denali Ultimate 20s. I got about 5 sets of them in the office right now if you guys want a set. So interior of this truck again is that, I think it's like a caribou color. Got your bows. Got your Denali coordinates right here. I think I said in one video that it had the VIN number on it, but I was wrong. The customer corrected me about that. Also, everything is, badged on the seats, on the center console, the big screen. He hasn't even ripped the plastic off the screen yet. Awesome truck. I think it's gonna look good. I hope the wheels that he has for me in the back of the truck are black, because that would be ideal for this truck, for the colors. Factory power steps on it. This is going to be a nice one. Our Denali Ultimate with 37s and a 4-inch lift are done. I want to go ahead and address something right now in the video before it becomes a big comment thing. Yes, the center caps are missing in the rear. These are aftermarket replica wheels of a GM style wheel, and they're 22 inches. It's the perfect offset and everything for this truck, but as you can see, the center caps on the front are blank. That's what most replica companies do there. This wheel does fit the factory GM center cap, but the problem is in the rear of this truck, the axle comes out too far, and that makes that aftermarket plain Jane cap not fit. So yes, the black center caps that came off the factory wheels on this truck do fit on there, but they look kind of weird. So I called the customer, gave him the part number from the GMC chrome cap that would go with this wheel, and I believe he is going to stop at the dealership on the way to pick the truck up so we can put those on. But just for the sake of the video, I wanted to let you guys know that. I think the truck turned out pretty good though. Big dash, big screen. Truck has like 100 miles on it, I think. No, 204 miles. I guess it's not gonna focus in, but crazy how new this truck is and people are already modifying it. There's a lot of times that we get these trucks straight from the dealership and people are putting lifts, tires, and wheels on them. I'm gonna drive the truck around to the back to get some better pictures and videos of it. But I can already tell this truck still feels smooth, still feels great like stock. Doesn't even feel like it's lifted. So I guess if you're looking for a good everyday setup for a 2500, 3500 GM truck, Cognito has it dialed in on this kit. It's a 4-inch kit. The good thing about this kit is they offer 3 different styles of this kit with 3 different shock packages with it. The Fox shocks you see here with the reservoirs, this is the medium option from Cognito. Comes with the upper control arms there. Also comes with this 4-inch cross member right here. This is what lowers down the differential in the front, creating this super good angle on your CV axles and your ball joints and everything. I would say that angle on this axle is better than factory, which is pretty amazing if you think about it. The tire setup we did on this one is a 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. Toyo and Nitto are the same company, and they have pretty much the same style tires for each one. Toyo's RT Trail is more similar to like the Nitto Ridge Grappler or the Nitto Recon Grappler. This is a 45,000 mile warranty tire, and it rides amazing, and it's super smooth and quiet. This wheel I just told you in the last clip is a factory replica 22 by 9.5 wheel with a positive offset, so you really don't see any poke, which is amazing. A lot of guys don't like the wheels to stick out. You know me though, I'm a huge fan of the poke and I like the wheel to stick out as far as possible, but not everybody is me. This will keep the tires from throwing stuff up all over the truck all the time, and you actually get to keep your mud flap in the back, which is a super big bonus there. A lot of guys have to get this piece cut to fit the wider wheels. We did have to trim a little bit on the front bumper here, but it's very subtle and small. And I don't think that somebody that doesn't do this every day or has one of these trucks would ever even notice that. The big issue is on the driver's side of the diesel trucks. You see this little plug right here, and there is no way around cutting that when you do wide wheels. So the fact that we still have that is pretty awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. If anybody wants to get one obviously done like this, we can do it again. I can do a bunch of different options, and if anybody wants to just buy me one of these for my birthday, I'd love to have one. I'll wear a size Denali Ultimate black. Hit me up if you have any questions. 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to throw in, my customer did buy the Denali caps on the way here to pick the truck up, and we got them installed on the truck. So there's your complete look. I don't know why the replica caps weren't as deep, but these cover the whole rear axle issue there, and they look amazing.